Hello, Namaste. Welcome to the course on Confluence. In this lecture, we will go through an introduction to Confluence. Confluence is a powerful enterprise collaboration software program developed and published by Australian software company Atlassian. Atlassian is the same company which has created other tools like Jira, Trello, and Bitbucket. Confluence is basically a tool which is used to help teams collaborate and share knowledge efficiently by creating, sharing, and discussing their content. It's an open and shared space using which users can create blogs and pages which can be commented on and edited by all the members of a team. And ideas can be discussed among the team members. Effectively, it is the best way for teams to stay on the same page. Now let's look at the major applications of Confluence. Confluence can help you create and capture anything. You can create and document anything from meeting notes and product requirements to marketing plans and HR policies. Start with a blank page or customizable ready-to-use template and add images, videos to make it engaging. Confluence can help you accelerate feedback, which will help you speed up the review process and move work forward. You can jointly edit pages on real-time basis with your team, give and get feedback via inline and page comments. You can assign tasks to a specific user by tagging that user on your pages. Confluence also helps you manage several calendars at once. Team calendar functionality gives your team a way to stay organized and communicate availability. Confluence also provides ready-to-use templates for all your documentation needs. From product requirements to marketing plans, create it all in Confluence. They have got templates that can be perfect fit for your project. Planning a new product launch, they have a template for that. Or you can also create your own template. Isn't that exciting? Last but not the least, it will keep your work organized. I'm sure you hate wasting time searching for your most up-to-date version of a document, as you end up spending more time looking for information than getting the things done. Stay organized by grouping related pages together in a dedicated space that can be accessed by just you or by everyone. Powerful searches, structured page trees, and page archive make sure content is easy to find, within reach, and current. There are more such practical applications which you will get to know when you will start using Confluence yourself. It will definitely help you and your team do the best work. One interesting point I would like to highlight here is that Confluence seamlessly integrates with Jira. They basically complement each other. Collect your team's thoughts, plans, and knowledge in Confluence, and then track your issues in your Jira application. And let the two applications work together to help you get your job done. Isn't that cool? Well, that's the power of Atlassian's two key products, Confluence and Jira. Alright, since you now have an idea on what Confluence is all about, along with its major applications, let's move on to our next video. See you in the next lecture. Thanks.